number 17, Daniel Victoria. Third place, entry number 14, Jem Yabut. Third place, entry number 15, Rosh Wood. 11th place, entry number 3, Danby. Rank number 10, 10th place, entry number 12, Robert. Rank number 9, entry number 10, Junjo Salvador.
Junjo ngayon ng
8th place, entry number 13, Jem Yabu. 7th place, entry number 8, Danby.
Naku! Bakit hindi nagsasound off yung magturo? Oo. Wala ang sarili.
6th place. 6th place, entry number 11, Riz Lorenzo. Fifth place, entry number 2, Benji Jacinto. Saya dito, no? Sana kayo.
By the way, at the end of the year, yung top 3 has prizes also, yung total scores of the top 3. Yung third place gets, I think, a picture to oil painting. The second place gets an Explorer worth 12,800. And the first place gets a smoke machine worth 5,000. And the science series.
Fourth place na ba tayo?
Yes.
Fourth place, entry number 5, Danby.
Hindi naman total eh. Pag nasilat siya ni Junjun yan.
Rank number 3, entry number 20, Drew Magturo. Rank number 2, entry number 9, Benji Jacinto.